Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of MMI. I, Me, and Myself. Here today, I'm going to welcome Mrs. Bali, Principal Kindergarten Pumpkin School, and she's in fact my very good friend too. Though we have a lot of age gap, maybe, but yes, our tuning and the thought process is of a different level, and we actually enjoy our company a lot. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much.
So thank you so much for taking out time. But I was really fond of you because you are influence to all the mothers. Because मेरे बच्चे दोनों pumpkin में पड़े हुए हैं छोटे होते से. So I always used to see you how peppy you are. You know how actually you enjoy the work you do it.
Yeah.
That can be felt and seen by other people also. At that time I wasn't your friend,
Yes,
but I
yes,
can
yeah.
see that passion in you. So what have been your life? See, everybody has a story. Though I know much about you, but there's a up and down in everybody's story. So what was your exact story and how you came up to such an entrepreneur level?
Yeah, so Manisha, to begin with, I thought I am a teacher, even when I was not married.
Oh.
So we had a lot of people in our house, like my dad had a manager. He had 5 kids at that moment. So, and everybody would be sleeping in the afternoon. I would bathe the kids, I would wash their, like tie their hair. And 5 o'clock, the mom would be up. So I would, the kids would be sitting in a row, all ready and all
All
smart.
decked up.
All decked up. So my mom would say, okay, you should, study, you should be educated, so tomorrow when you grow up, you independent basically, right? You don't have to ask for money from anyone.
Anyone.
So, to my level, I thought that I cannot study so much, however it was. So I thought to myself, I'm going to be a teacher one day. And I thought that was a very apt profession because I was fond of children. And yes, then I did my B.Ed and I did then luckily or whatever, we went to the US. I worked there as a teacher.
Oh,
I worked
acha.
here also as a teacher.
Oh.
So yes, then it helps you to be sure, yes, what you're doing
That
is
is
very
the right profession
That
for
is
you.
the right profession for you. I never thought I would be opening up a school. I always thought I would be a teacher.
Teacher in somebody's school
In
or
somebody's
some
school.
educational institute.
But if you ask me today, I am still a teacher.
yeah,
So
we can see that.
yes, because I am there with the children. I am there. I'm doing everything myself. Like you said, I enjoy being a teacher. I enjoy being with children. That's
So,
it.
see, I always observe to you. You are influenced to all people around. So when I observe you, I see detailing in your kindergarten also. Even the playground, even the room, there is small detailing and observation, which I tell my kids also. They have a great observation because of you. Obviously, I am also very keen, but whenever I used to go into the pumpkin school, I used to tell Ayan, see, Kyra, see, देखो मैम ने ये लगाया, this is something new, this is a windmill, this is, butterfly there in a small pot. Nobody is observing, but that butterfly is there.
She's still
So
there,
how
yeah.
you introduce that small changes, a small, it is a happiness actually. How you introduce that small things, because you're doing a lot. ये तो चलो ठीक है, हमें कहना होता है कि स्टार्टिंग में और काम करना होता है. एट सम लेवल वी फील कि यार ठीक है इतना, बट यू स्टिल एड दैट ग्लिम्स, दैट हैप्पीनेस इन एवरी कॉर्नर, नुक कॉर्नर, इवन इन एट योर होम आई कैन सी दैट फैक्टर ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ दैट स्पार्क एंड हैप्पीनेस. हाउ यू डू इट, हाउ यू मैनेज इट?
Okay, let me tell you how are we shaped first of all. Why am I like this if I'm like this? And why are you like this the way you are? So the people who come across in your life, there are women who came across in my life till my age, whatever age I am today. See, I'm 50, from my day one, like from day one when I was born, my mom, my aunt, my teacher, my environment, how did I grow up, where did I work, so the college I went to, the school I went to, the places I worked, everything is there. They have all these things there, and you as a personality are looking at those things, and then you choose, okay, this is how I want my life to be. So for me, life is very How do I tell you? Even if I dress up, I would dress up very simple, but at the same time I would add a little bit here and there, a little
Yeah.
color here and there,
Yeah.
because
A little element is
a
always
little
there.
element, yeah. Because I believe in nature and I observe nature a lot. So if you look at nature also, it's very soothing, very relaxing, but something is there which stands out.
Stands out.
So
True.
nature is a very big inspiration, I think, for everybody. And yes, of course, like I said, a lot of women who came into my life, starting from my mom to my family ladies, my aunt, my sister, my cousins, everybody. So that is what you
So
are
you mean to
today.
say that they had that observation or they had that element of adding a little zing to everything. So that's why that's
Yes.
incorporated in you.
Yes.
So how you incorporate such things in the young kids coming to you?
See, first of all, like I said, the environment you come to. I personally believe I'm not a doctor like you. Like you are a doctor and you're also running such a beautiful and a successful salon. You because it's a very good combination for what you're doing. But I as a layman, if you ask me, and a very simple person, what do? I just see what makes life easy for everybody, right?
How?
And if you look at children, let me tell you, for example, we do crafts in school. My focus is that one thing which I want to teach my children. I want them to pay attention to that only one thing.
Nothing else, no
No
distractions.
distractions. You come to my school classrooms, you come to my house. It's a very simple place, lot of light coming in, no toys, not, very simple. We bring out things only when they are required. Because I personally feel really overwhelmed when I go to a mall, when I see so many things.
Yeah.
It overwhelms me. It excites me, and I personally feel we need a very calm life.
Simple.
Simple life. Yeah, that is how you focus things. You make a then you take note of those things.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what I believe in.
So how you are teaching your teachers also, you are teaching kids also. So another component which is added to your persona or your school is you are teaching the parents also.
Yes.
So see, the kids coming to you are coming for maybe 3 hours, 4 hours kind of a thing. What is that one thing you are teaching your parents
Yes.
that they need to do at home so that at the school and the home combination creates a bigger, better future
Impact
of
for
them?
children,
Yeah.
yeah. So I want to tell everybody, so when you are teaching children, you're not just teaching children. Of course, you're teaching moms.
Moms.
Yeah, it has to reach through them. Her child is very young. Of course, the environment, how we talk, how we dress up, everything makes a difference. I can give you few examples. Like we had a nanny in school. So now she's no more working with us. So I met her when I go for my early morning walk. She stays close by. So she told me that, Miss Belly, you have to come and see my house. I said, okay, let's go after the walk. After my walk, let's go to your house. So, like 15, 20 minutes away, and we go to her house. Believe me, I'm telling you what. She says, I saw her, small, tiny house, and she didn't have a garden as in garden, but on the road itself, she had put so many flower pots.
Wow.
There were flowers growing, and she had all the flowers which nature would like. So I was so
That's it.
impressed. I went inside her room. So we had tea and coffee, whatever we had together. Her house was absolutely clean, spick and span. Money has nothing to do with
Do
this.
with it.
It is.
The environment you are staying
Yes,
with and the positivity you take from
Yeah,
that.
from
That
the
is
other
another
person.
thing. See, one is environment, obviously you are giving at the school, but अब मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर उस बच्चे को घर पे वो environment नहीं मिल रहा, some I do not know what struggle you face, because I feel कि बच्चा still वही ज़्यादा करता है जो घर पे हो रहा होता है.
करता है ज़रूर, but somewhere or the other you are touching the children. It stays with you. आज आप नहीं कर सकते शायद, maybe you will not be able to do it today because you are living in a very different environment. But somewhere, I always tell teachers, I always tell mothers, we are not talking to the walls. We are handling human beings here. They have a mind which there's going to be an impression which is everlasting on their minds. So my daughter, when she went to school, so she had one of her classmates. Now that classmate has gotten admission into pumpkins in our school. So after the admission and everything, we had a small like a thing going on, like a presentation going on, where there were a lot of parents sitting. So she stood up and she told everybody, "Why did I put my child in this school?" She says, "Because I saw her, Miss Bali's daughter, how I was raising my daughter, my son, how I was raising my kids." And she looked at her. She said, she said, "I thought about it. If she could do a good job on her children, what is she going to do with my
My
children?"
children.
You know, small things make a difference. I'll tell you, one of our teachers, you know, she would always be dressed up in, you know, kind of clothes she would wear with what people would appreciate, you know, her friends would appreciate. But I mainly believe in cotton clothes, 100% cotton, simple, like very simple, and yet, like, you know, very, very clean and everything okay. So she told me, she says, slowly I've changed my style. And she says, now when I go to my friends and they laugh at me that you're totally a different person, not that they're telling her something good or bad, but they're telling her that you're a different person.
Changed. Hmm.
So we are, as a leader today, because the place where I'm sitting, I have a very,
Yeah.
very responsible job. The day, as every day goes by, I sit with my teachers. I tell them, I said, we have to be conscious at every step, how we talk, how we dress up.
Yeah.
You know,
Kids pick up very quickly.
children pick up, and how negatively we talk about others. Like you talked about body shaming right now. You know, somebody's fat, somebody's very tall.
I like that thing, you know, वो बोली
हाँ.
कौन सी थी वो
So I was just talking to Dr. Manisha, right, before we started this podcast, you know.
Yeah.
So she asked me
Bari
the same
Barsi.
question. So I told her Bari Barsi, you know, when I was very young. So there was a boli in Punjabi. They would say Bari Barsi khatan gyasi ki khatke lianda. Khatke lianda. I don't know if it was patasa or something. But nahi. ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਿੰਡ ਸੁਨੀਦਾ ਮਾੜੀ ਦੀ ਦੋ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਸੁਨੀਦੀਆਂ
हाँ,
ਇੱਕ
एक
ਪਤਲੀ
पतली ते
ਇੱਕ
एक पारी पतली दा ते ਵਿਆਹ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਭਾਰੀ ਅਜੇ ਕੁਵਾਰੀ ਆਪੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੱਗੂਗੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸੀ at what age and look at our culture, you know?
and we are dancing on it.
And we are dancing on it. So, and I thought about it when I was very young, and I told myself, I said, I have to be, you know, all bodies are beautiful. It doesn't matter. You know, everybody looks pretty the way they are.
True.
You have to be you to be standing apart than the whole crowd. We don't want cookie cutter ladies. We don't want cookie cutter kids.
No, we do
We
not.
want individual personalities.
True.
That is how you're different. That is how you will make an impact on somebody's mind. अब
true.
सब 10 लोग एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं.
तो उसकी यूटिलिटी भी नहीं
आपको
है. How
याद ही
you
नहीं
will
रहेगा.
stand out?
I'll tell you, yesterday I met my aunt, you know, and she's going to Canada for like few months. So she told me, I'm not saying it's a good thing or a bad thing. I just talk about my personality. She said it was somebody's wedding, and I was carrying my son that time. And she says, you came for the wedding. You're wearing a silk suit, but it wasn't like a polished suit. It wasn't very 100%.
I got it.
It was a little crushed. She said, but you felt so comfortable in that. You looked so happy, participating, doing everything. She said, till date, I remember that. And she told me my daughter's also the same. Would she remember me if I would be like all other 10 women?
Same.
She remembered me because I was different, because I was comfortable in my own, like I said, in my own skin, in my own dress. Yeah. So there would be a reason I might not be feeling very good because I was like, you know, I was on a family way. I might not be comfortable ironing my clothes. Or maybe I did iron them. I don't know. It was like long back. But I'm just telling you, this is how it works.
So coming to this, comfortable in our own skin. So what I feel as an esthetician कि अभी तो हमारी skin भी खुद की नहीं है. It is not reflecting our age. Most of the clients coming to me, I never say कि आप 50 के हो तो आप 30 के लगने लग जाओ. I never say that. I say at least look your age. So then only you would be comfortable in what you are. But what is happening is, especially in our area, the parents are not acceptable, are not understanding that ki yes, the generation has changed, the era has changed, technology is obviously far ahead what we are thinking also. So we have to match that tech also. but yet we have to change our basic things also. Yes, sleeping, eating, drinking,
Yeah.
the mental health. These are
Yes.
few things which will collaboratively give you a very good look, a
Yes.
confident body also. You actually having a backache, and I tell you, ma'am, keep on smiling. 1 hour you have to just, you will not be
I
able
won't
to
be
do
able to
that.
do it.
The
Yeah.
similar is if we are talking and you have lot of acne on your face. Again, looking at some other person, you will feel कि यार that person is looking better than me यार. चाहे आप acnetic को भी अच्छे लग रहे हो, बट आपके माइंड में सबकॉन्शियसली ये आएगा ही आएगा कि दैट पर्सन इज मच स्मार्टर देन दैट. सो आई वांट टू नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग to create that awareness in the young minds or the parents.
Like I said, first of all, everything begins from home. Then, of course, the school, the age we are handling, it is very important. Like how are we? If I am touching, I have my favorite child, for example. Those 10 other kids are looking at me. Why she's all the time carrying this child? Why is she loving this child? Why is she only appreciating one child? So, like I said, very consciously, I make it a point. If I'm loving one, I have to love all 10.
All then.
This is my responsibility as a teacher or as a whatever I am today. Similarly, for teachers, appreciating one, and anyways, for teachers, it is a very different thing because they are mature.
They can understand.
They can understand, but for kids, I'm telling you. And if I talk about, see, here, if I talk about beauty, here people like doctors like you come in. If you have acne, of course, you can be very confident because it is only one thing. But okay, fine. I still say, some people say, no, we cannot be confident because it somewhere is impacting you.
I think it is not about telling or feeling. It is something very subconsciously playing with you.
It will play on my mind also.
So, because when you, I will not say a public figure, but when you're meeting thousands of people in a day's time, and I feel when my hair is sticky and I feel little low, I myself will start feeling कि यार नहीं आज किसी को नहीं मिलना, I do not want to talk to, or let's go back home. But other way around, if I'm peppy, my hairs are
It makes a
looking
difference,
good,
yeah.
my skin is good. अगर मैं उदास भी होंगी, I will feel यार चल छाड़ यार चल काम कर.
Yes, I agree with you.
So that is one feeling which I feel is missing in a lot of us. Subconsciously it is being played, but we are not addressing it.
Yes, I agree with you. So to your answer to your question is, you need to be exercising.
Yeah.
To start with, plenty of fluids, because exercise is going to change your personality, the way you look, the way you talk. And I also believe to be in comfortable clothes and comfortable shoes will give you the confidence which no one else can give you. If I'm wearing my heels today, okay, for a party it's fine, right? But not 100% all the time.
All the time.
Because you're conscious. This is not your natural gait. This is not your natural way of walking, right?
Right.
So in school also, all our children come in their comfortable shoes. That is your first step to confidence. So mothers tell me, what are you doing for confidence for our children? They're going to be going to big school. They're doing this.
I'm making them
We
comfortable.
tell them, yeah, our kids are the most comfortable children you'll see in town because they are confident, because they're only in their running shoes, they're in their sport shoes the whole day, then they are playing. And I'm telling you, when you are crossing small challenges, you're crossing small hurdles physically, again gives you an edge over others.
Definitely.
Yeah, I keep challenging myself. I'm an adult, okay, fine, but for kids we do so much of different kind of activities where every child is crossing some challenges or some hurdles or some milestones they're achieving. I'm not talking about going on the mic.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about anything else. I'm only talking about physical. And I 100% believe, and my belief is, and from my experience, if you are into sports and you are,
Physically
crossing the hurdles, even if you fail, you'll stand up again. Like I said, like a phoenix, like a phoenix, you'll burn and you'll rise from your own ashes. No other confidence like that. No other confidence. That is one. Then being with nature, then nature teaches you so much. So much. There's a life going on up there. If you just have to raise your neck and look up. There are birds, there are things happening up there. Look at that life also. Then it takes you away from your life.
True.
It relaxes you, immediately relaxes you. Like we were talking about Japan, like we just were talking about Japan before we
Yeah.
started this podcast.
Amazing.
Shinrin Yoku, I 100% believe in. It's a Japanese term which means forest bathing. Try, believe me, sit on the floor, sit on the ground, touch the trees, try and hugging them. You will see your personality relaxing, changing. There's
Yeah.
no medicine better than nature.
Yeah, true, true, true.
We just need two things: nature. We need exercise, and of course, healthy eating and sleeping. Like you said, you will automatically sleep when you're relaxed. Yeah.
True. There will be no insomnia actually.
No insomnia.
If you're working physically, your body needs rest. Your body needs that time frame. The clock is set that this hours are required to regenerate your body back. So वो automatically sleep आती ही है.
See, when you're exercising, you have that happy hormone. I don't know what you call it. I don't know the names of these.
Serotonin.
Because I'm not a doctor. But when you exercise, you feel happy. And of course, when you're happy, you're tired, you sleep. And you're sleeping, you're fresh.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Yeah, true,
Yeah.
true. But ma'am, you are doing a lot of activities in your school. I have seen you are incorporating hygiene things. You are incorporating a lot of self-confidence. Even just being physically active, I have seen my own kids talking on mic very confidently. So that is one thing you told me now only. But what extra things you are doing to create an awareness of self-esteem and the confidence in whatever body they are?
Yes. So, first of all, like I said, appreciating children. That's very important. Appreciating everybody.
Everybody.
Everyone. And I tell my parents very consciously, watch what you talk. Whether you're talking about your house help or you're talking about your friend, there's somebody always listening to you. There are two ears always, even when they're sleeping, you don't know they are listening to you.
They are Alexa.
Yes, you cannot talk. It is, like I said, a very conscious and a very responsible job. When you have a child, you lose yourself somewhere. I'm not saying lose yourself, but then there's a bigger responsibility somewhere.
Yeah, rather than losing, I see an improvision in that.
Yes.
I feel ki every time they teach us, the way you were telling, they have ears, because something happens, even if I'm irritable, maybe I'm shouting at someone, yeah, please दे दे यार, दिया ही नहीं इतनी देर से. They pick this thing also कि उस दिन आपने ऐसे बोला था, so we also have the right to say like that. So that give me a hit back that I cannot say like this ever. Even if I am tired, I have excuses whatsoever is there. I have to be much more politer to have my kids in that range and that advantage.
See, I tell everybody, very, very important thing is, if you decide to have a child, it is your 100% responsibility to raise your child well. You cannot just have a child and you say that I'm still a baby, when I need to work. Of course, you can work. I'm not judging anybody here. But what I mean to say is your first responsibility is your child, because you've got him into this world. He didn't want it to come. You got him here. So I read a lot about different cultures. If I talk about Germany, there are mothers who don't go to work till the age of 7 years, like a child is 7 years.
Oh.
Because of course it's a rich country, it's a rich, the system is like they take care of the mothers. They pay you, right? Whatever work you are doing, but here is a very different thing. Society is very different here. Sometimes you have to work because you need the money. Sometimes you have to work because you were not allowed to work before, or suddenly you have realization that I need to go out because I have to take care. So please wait for a few years, at least 5 years, till your children are a little older. Because till the age of 5 years, you laying the foundation.
True.
And if the foundation is strong, the building is going to be perfectly all right on it.
But now, again, I say, just continuing with this thing, I personally feel working from past 20-25 years, dealing with a lot of females, there is a lot of social pressure also on the females. Maybe education, maybe marriage, maybe producing a child, maybe working, whatsoever. Everybody has their own story. But I have realized कि females धीरे धीरे करके एक मेल में कन्वर्ट हो रही हैं.
Yes.
They are trying. First, the term is superwoman.
Yeah.
I feel there is nothing like that.
Yes.
ठीक है, आप भी काम कर रहे हो, मेल्स भी काम कर रहे हैं. But yes, there is one emotional quotient which is added to you. There is an era, the 100 साल पहले females never used to work. It was during the war time that American females
Yeah.
started, you know the history.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
started taking care of everything
Yeah,
because
yeah.
all the male went for the war.
Yeah.
So that from आप सोचो कि 100 साल से women काम करना शुरू कर रही है. उससे पहले इतने हजारों साल तक फीमेल्स कुछ नहीं कर रही थी, जस्ट सज सवर रही थी. एंड दे वर इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग गुड वैल्यूज टू द किड्स, taking care of them, eating, their how what all they are doing, kids कैसे सो रहे हैं, उनको जगाना कैसे है, उनका क्या ध्यान रखना है और अपना क्या ध्यान रखना है. ये ही दो चीज़ें कर रही थी. यू नो, आई हैव अ रेंज, मनीषा ब्यूटी को करके, आई हैव अ प्रोडक्ट रेंज विच इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय आवर ओन राजाज एंड महाराजाज. The females at that time, the Ranis at that time used to put 24 karat gold on their face as जैसे हमारे आजकल पैक्स होते हैं. So they used to add with good jadi bootians and they used to put on the face for more aura and more glow on their face. So that course I've looked very fascinating to me कि females, उसमें सिर्फ females थी, a प्यारी चीज़ जो सुंदर है और जो आगे families को, आपकी फैमिलीज को प्रोपोगेट कर रही हैं. बट नाउ व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड, नाउ women's are super women's, they are not women's because they have to take care of the houses also, husbands also, kids also, and because now they are educated they have to work also because वो लेवल वो क्रिएट हो चुका, वो उससे नीचे नहीं एडजस्ट हो सकती. सो इन सब को करते करते कहीं ना कहीं वो विमेनिज्म, आई फील, आई डोंट से कि सब चीज़ें इस चीज़ को बिलीव करें, बट आई फील कि ये कहीं ना कहीं हमें एक मेल लाइक ऑरा दे रही हैं एंड हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस भी उसी वे में चेंज हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल हो रहा है. आई एग्री 100% विद यू.
सो इन Japanese culture again you see, every person is eating alone. Have you seen their restaurants? They have single seats.
Yeah.
You talked about the Japanese. I love Japanese culture. They just eat, a single chair is there. In the restaurants also and in the houses also, there are very small dining tables. It's not like हमारी तरह 8-12 के dining tables है. They eat alone because they feel that their culture is of rejuvenating and putting energy into the food and extracting all the nutrition while eating and chewing the food. Most of them are enchanting something when they are eating also. See the beauty. And this is same in the Indian culture also. You know that? Old जो हमारे गुरुज थे वो ऐसे ही खाना खाते थे. Very simple food. Maybe once or twice a day. Not more than that. And they used to sit and talk to food. They used to put energy in water. They used to put energy in the food they are eating. And that's why they had such a pure mind, body, skin, hair. Everything was flawless and beautiful.
Yeah.
Nowadays, what we are doing is fancy foods, first of all. कि वो भी खा लिया, वो भी. अब हमारे यहाँ sushi मिलती है. You eat the Japanese sushi and eat what we are eating. There is hell lot of difference in the taste and the aroma they have. So Japanese eat very pure food. They are not mixing lot of sauces, pepper or anything. और हमारे में भी है, हमारे मसाले बहुत अच्छे हैं. They are very good antioxidants. But उसको किस proportion में use करना है वो हम भूल चुके हैं. So in that way, there is a major culture shift which I have seen over the era. And ये culture shift से I feel कि kids कहीं ना कहीं impact हो रहे हैं. Yes, you say the school plays a lot role, but somehow I still feel, see, if the woman is working, maybe a male also, either of the two, but I feel कि personally जो mother कर सकती हैं वो male husbands नहीं कर सकते. So वो instinct, वो observation, वो emotional quotient जो females में है वो males नहीं कर सकते. कहीं हम कह देते हैं कि equally आप आधी रात जागो, आधी रात मैं जागती हूँ, but somehow I personally feel कि वो इतना बच्चे को ग्रो नहीं करेगा. लाइक यू आउटराइटली सेड कि ये आपका काम है बच्चों को रेयर करना. पेरेंटिंग इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट कि आप सोच रहे हो कि यार पैदा हो गया हम करना ही है. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट. लर्निंग कर्व फॉर द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, बोथ पेरेंट्स, एंड द लर्निंग कर्व स्टार्ट्स विद द किड्स ओनली. उनको ही नहीं अभी कुछ पता, दे आर ब्लैंक शीट्स. What we have to write on that sheet is
This is what
dependent on
matters,
the
yeah.
parents. So mothers, somehow I still feel they because of their work, maybe because of their social pressure, they are not able to accept few things. Like I come across, they will say ਇਹ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਤੇ ਘਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਮੰਨਣਗੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. There are lot many things. Like recently one young kid came to me, 10 years old, है ना. She went for some touring in the school and she got all sunburns. It wasn't tan, it was sunburn, है ना. तो उसके ममा ने साथ में सनस्क्रीन नहीं दी थी. उन्होंने बोला कि ये तो मैंने आज तक लगाई नहीं है, तुम्हें भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऐसे ही जाओ. Though the kid told mama कि it's a Goa thing, so it would be actually tan, please give me something. बच्चे के पास आजकल ऑनलाइन बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन है. तो she said, but she refused कि कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये ऐसा है. बिकॉज सी गूगल इन्फॉर्मेशन इज़ हाफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. वो सब चीज़ें देगा, वो आपको एडवर्सिटीज़ भी दिखाएगा और एडवांटेजेस भी दिखाएगा. तो वो बच्चा मेरे पास आया जस्ट seeing on the Insta and coming. See, it's a big thing for me. A kid, a 10-year-old kid coming with a friend, है ना. एक ड्राइवर को लेके मेरे पास पहुंचा एंड शी सेड मैम डू समथिंग फॉर माई टैनिंग. मेरे मम्मा पापा ने तो मुझे रगड़ रगड़ के 1 महीने से मुझे छिल दिया है. एंड एक्चुअली इट वॉज ऑल द स्किन वॉज पील्ड ऑफ कि वो टैन उतर जाए, बट वो और डार्क हुई जा रही है. सो प्लीज़ ईदर टेल माई पेरेंट्स कि ये मेरे को हीलिंग का टाइम दे दें, और इधर यू टेल कि मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. सो इट वॉज अ आई ओपनर फॉर मी कि सम हाउ आज भी हमारे पेरेंट्स कहते देते हैं कि वी आर एडवांस्ड, वी आर हाई टेक, वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग, वी आर एक्सपोज्ड, वी आर ऑब्जर्वेंट, बट सम हाउ एज अ पेरेंट वी आर मिसिंग समथिंग जहाँ हमारे ही ईरा को इतनी नॉलेज नहीं थी. So how, the question is how and in what way you think you can incorporate such advantage or such knowledge in the parent's mind to be at least receptive, to at least understand kids की उनकी कुछ requirement है जो कि उनकी knowledge बढ़ चुकी है उनसे ज़्यादा, and they have to accept that and try to learn. Now the era is of learning to the parents rather than the kids.
Yeah.
बच्चे तो कर ही लेते हैं.
Absolutely, 100%. I agree with you. So then again, the schools have a very big role to play here.
But how? I still feel कि आप लोग वैसे ही बहुत चीज़ें कर रहे हो, है ना.
नहीं, बट आप जो भी करते हो, आप छोटा छोटा, आप जैसे लाइक इन आवर स्कूल, वी टेल द पेरेंट्स, ओके, यू कैन सेंड अ हैट टू स्कूल, send full sleeves, covers, because the kids will be playing outside in the sun maybe, or outdoors, so we don't want mosquitoes biting them, or we don't want too much of sun, because some kids actually can get sunburns and things like that. Or you apply sunscreen on a special day when we are doing some special activity. So like I said, we have to be, as institutions, as schools, we have a very big responsibility again. So we have, if I send a message to parents, what are they going to be doing? They will think about it 100 times.
Is it right or not?
Is it right? Then they might read about it. They can ask their pediatrician. They will be doing a lot of things. So at least, like I said, schools, they have a like a king of a country. What if he would say something, 90% of the people will believe that. So I, in my own, I'm the queen of my own place. If I say something, of course, if I'm not saying 100%, 70% of the people will think about it. They will try to follow it. Coming to the whole, the main thing is that when you're choosing a school, when you're choosing any place you're sending your child to, do you really look at that person? What is he or what is she doing? Because somewhere the child or you are also going to be influenced or inspired by that person.
True.
So it is very important. You cannot blindly say, I follow you. See, you have different needs. She has different needs. For example, you want absolutely something different for your child. She wants something different from your child, from their child. How can you both be going to one place? You'll have a clash. You will not, or even if a little bit of iota of thing you believe in, send your child to that place. Because then your vibe will match, your understanding will match, and everything will match. And answering your last question that about feminism, you said that why do we say Mother Earth? Why don't we say Father Earth? Because she's a nurturer, she's a giver. And nature has chosen us women to be giving birth. Why haven't they chosen a man to be doing that? A man can be a provider, he cannot be a nurturer. So we women are nurturers. I always tell the mother, when something goes wrong, people ask who's the mother. And they turn back and look at the mother. Anything you see on TV, also something goes wrong, there's a man who's done something wrong, they always show the mother along with it. But they will never show the dad. Why? Because it is the mother who is responsible for everything. So this is what I tell my mothers also. So we have a bigger role to play than dads.
Absolutely.
And men usually mature a little late. You know, by 30 or 35, they're very, I'm not saying they're not maturity as in earning wise or any otherwise. As in if you compare a man and a woman, we are mature
Much
in a
earlier
different,
age.
at a younger age. Nature has decided to do that to us. Men are a little carefree. They can enjoy wild things. You know, a woman would always think, if I do this, what are going to be the repercussions of this?
True.
A man would never think that. You know, she looks ahead. She looks forward. Man cannot look that ahead. You know, so we have a very big role to play, and we blindly should not be a feminist, because, you know, I'll tell you how it worked. Because all these years, like you said, women were always repressed. So now women want to revolt back. And it's like a pendulum. It is moving towards the women's side now. So they're getting back at men, a lot of things. I mean, not everybody, but in general, what the society is going through. So either they want to work or they want to do whatever. So one day the pendulum is going to slow down and stop.
Balanced.
The day it balances, that day it's going to be a good balance. So it was towards the men earlier, then it's moved towards the women,
Women
now,
now.
and now one day it'll come to a good stop and a balance. So it'll,
Recently I went to one lecture, and there I was telling, you know, it was on female empowerment and everything. So I somehow being blessed to be born in a doctor's family, being a doctor, married to a doctor. So I've been always into an educational system.
Environment, yeah.
Environment, and somehow it is always different from. And now I realize it कि हमारा एक जो environment है या social mental status है, it is absolutely different. There is no male female kind of a thing from very beginning. बचपन से कभी सुना नहीं ये लड़की है या ये लड़का है, never heard of it, है ना? So the growth is like that. Never seen my husband telling कि, you know, you cannot go there. He will say go there and enjoy, है ना? So there is no restrictions being gender biasness in any way. But over the years being into this profession, I realized कि females के लिए there is a lot of limitations also.
Yes.
You cannot do this, you cannot do that. Empowerment बहुत हो चुकी है, हो भी रही है, but still there is a major chunk.
नहीं हुई अभी.
अभी
नहीं
exactly.
हुई, आप
I
बता
was
रहे
in
हो.
that blind phase where I thought कि यार, you know, I'm meeting people like you.
Yeah.
I'm in that group where the females are majorly working. I have in my hospital majorly females are working. Very few males are there. Here also in the aesthetic center, all females are there. One male is there. So you see, I'm always with the females, and the thought process also developed.
Because you're looking at those people.
I'm
yeah.
looking at those people कि सब लड़कियां तो काम कर रही हैं, चाहे कोई भी problem है, they come and discuss with me and they are okay, and next they are smiling and they are just doing work. But recently I came to know there is a big chunk which says
Yes.
कि अभी भी हमें openness नहीं है कि ये चीज़ खा लें या नहीं खा लें या यहाँ चले जाएं. So still अभी वो pendulum आगे और जाना है. But again, the balance should be strike.
अभी तो सिर्फ रिवोल्ट शुरू हुआ है.
अभी revolt शुरू हुआ है.
अभी कुछ नहीं बदला. I see, you know, it's been 22 years like we've been running the school, the kind of women we've come across, mothers, grandmoms, you know, their teachers, what is going through everybody. So nothing has changed. I would say not even in the US. US, they would be a little forward than us. I would say 50%, but still some similar things are going on there. You know, because I know once I was reading, looking at a case, you know, in the US. So a man would hit the woman, you know, and then he would love her again. And when the case would do the court, and the woman would first file a case or a report against her husband. And when it reaches there, he loves her, everything changes. And the judge says, no, I don't believe you, because I know most of the women do that. because the women are still women, very kind, emotionally very weak.
Yeah.
So not only the women, so we as women should be like queens. Not when you have a crown on your head, we
You
need
have
to give this crown to
responsibility.
everybody else.
वो नहीं हो रहा है.
वो ही नहीं हो रहा.
वो नहीं हो
Uplift
रहा.
the women around you. And because I've gone through something bad, doesn't mean I have to make sure the other person also goes
Also
through
goes
something
through
bad.
that.
No, we have to change this mindset. And women are the worst enemy of women.
Women. True.
It's not the man. We tell the man
To do that.
to do what. Yeah. So I still see my teachers and a lot of mothers, there's a lot of there's a big gap, like you said. No, they cannot work. They come to me when we have a lot of counseling sessions. I and Sandeep sir, we sit together, we counsel the parents, and then things, maybe 20% people do change, but in your own way, whatever little you can do, I think you should. Yeah. So it has to be a balance of whether too much of feminism or too much of
male.
whatever. Yeah, it has to be a good balance. Yeah.
So how you feel that this feminism or women empowerment is affecting mental health of kids, or it isn't affecting both ways?
Why do we have to tell children that we are empowering you? The society in itself should be doing things which is right, and here the government has a big role to play. Not just by putting posters everywhere, oh women, ladki padhao, ladki bachao. Na koi padha raha hai, na koi bacha raha hai. वो तो वही the handful of people who are very rich or who are still
They are
80% of
thinking.
our population is like the poor population, right? What are they doing?
Nothing.
The labor. They have so many children.
Multiplying.
Where are they what are they doing? वो बच्चे रुल रहे हैं या मदर
On
काम
the
पे जा
roads.
रही है, वहाँ लेके जा रही है साथ अपने बच्चों को. एजुकेशन तो वहाँ आ ही नहीं रही. हालांकि the government here, if you talk about Ludhiana, I see a lot of government schools. We have lot of kids going for education. They are going to schools. Things are changing really fast, but we still don't have enough schools. इतने schools है ही नहीं. They are full till the brim. अब 250 बच्चा एक क्लास में, या मुझे नहीं पता कम, पर जगह ही नहीं है. कहाँ भेजने आपने बच्चे? वहाँ भी सिफारिश है.
Population exposure
Population
बहुत
है.
ज़्यादा हो गया.
सबसे पहले हमें पॉपुलेशन को कैसे कंट्रोल करना है. This is the first step we have to take.
But nobody listens also. The females, they are obviously, compressed, depressed from the society. They
अब ये
keep on-
गवर्नमेंट का रोल है, उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करना है. हर दुनिया में हर जगह हुआ है, हमारे यहाँ क्यों नहीं हो रहा.
China में हुआ.
हमने we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We just need to look around in different countries how
And
things are
utilize
happening.
that.
You can take help from them. We can go and send our people to get training from them. And everything is possible. आज की दुनिया में क्या पॉसिबल नहीं है. बस सब ठीक हो जाएगा उसके बाद. Yeah.
And difficult measures. Obviously, sitting here and talking is obviously easier for us. But when we also go in the fields, it is very difficult to counsel the parents and the in-laws. How to limit the things. They do not understand. कि साढ़े NG चलता है, ऐसे NG चलाना है. So the thought process, obviously it is a government thing. It's a kind of a central thing. But somehow I feel कि personally, obviously as a school, as a principal, you are doing a lot. A lot of schools are doing, but that are a handful of people coming to you. वो बाकी जो रह गया है, how do you feel कि हम उनके पास पहुंच सकते हैं as an individual, not as a government, as an individual? How can we reach out to them and
we should talk to people. Like you said कि फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, पर फ़र्क पड़ता है. कोई घर जाके ज़रूर सोचेगा. मैं हमेशा बात करती हूँ, एक रोटी है, आप फेंकते हो और 10 बच्चे उसको नोच के खाते हैं. कहाँ एक रोटी एक बच्चा खा रहा है, या उसको हाफ करके 2 लोग खा रहे हैं. Nowadays, what is if you see or you see people around, उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं या उनकी खेतें हैं, उनकी ज़मीनें हैं, उनके खेत हैं. तो आई टेल देम, अगर आप 5 बच्चे हो तो पांचों में क्या बंट के आना है. पहले बोलते थे कि दे आर वर्किंग हैंड्स, इतने वर्किंग हैंड्स हैं, वो पैसा कमा के लाएंगे. पैसा तो ले आएंगे, उसके बाद वो ज़मीन तो ख़त्म हो चुकी है. कुछ है ही नहीं आपके पास. सो वी मस्ट कीप टॉकिंग टू पीपल. दे लुक एट यू, और लाइक आई सेड, लीड बाय एग्जाम्पल, एंड ऑफ कोर्स डू टॉक टू पीपल. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आई पर्सनली फील जो आपके पास काम करते हैं, द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग विद यू, दे आर समवेयर और द अदर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय यू.
Definitely
कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते. और वैसे भी नाउ आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हियर, दे आर हैविंग 1 or 2 kids. ऑल्सो पीपल फ्रॉम यूपी एंड बिहार ऑल्सो, बिकॉज वो इस सोसाइटी में रह रहे हैं, उनको भी दिखता है, हम बात करते हैं, हम अब उनको फर्क पड़ने लग गया है. आई थिंक इन आई टॉक टू देम, आई से व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन यूपी, लाइक शी सेज अब वहाँ भी बच्चे कम होते हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, फर्क. एंड आई थिंक बाय 2050 we will start going backward in our population. Yeah, so अभी भी 25 years पड़े हैं, बहुत लंबा टाइम है.
अभी एजुकेशन और वो चलाने का, दिमाग चलाने का और वो ईरा में आने का भी टाइम लगेगा.
So अगर हम
lot of population
इसको if we want the process to be faster, then the government needs to step in here.
नहीं, definitely influence. Even my mate, because हमारे घर में बहुत सादा खाना बनता है, ऑयल कम है, मसाले बहुत कम हैं. So she is with me since past 5-6 years, है ना. तो पहले she was लिटल वो खाती रहती थी सारा दिन, ये भी खा लिया, वो भी खा लिया. आई वॉज ओके कि अब ठीक है, बच्चा है, खा रही है, कोई इशू नहीं है. नाउ स्लोली over past 2-3 years I can see she's thinning out, she's working on her skin, eating properly. भाभी क्या खा रही है,
मैंने भी वही खाना है. Absolutely.
So I can see that change in her, because she now being into a marriage age है ना, वो पूछती है भाभी क्या लगाऊं फेस पे, क्या खाऊं. So in that way she is also understanding. अभी कल परसों she was telling कि actually वो जो पुराना हमारा आयुर्वेदा था वो काम करता था कि सिर्फ ऐसे ही बोलते रहते, जैसे मेरी मम्मा घर जाती हैं और जड़ी बूटियाँ सी ले आती हैं और मेरे फेस पे लगा देती हैं, कहती ये ही करना है. मैंने कहा एक्चुअली वर्क
करता है वो, बिल्कुल.
इट एक्चुअली यूज्ड टू वर्क. हम वो रूट्स भूल गए हैं. हम बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी में आ गए हैं.
रेडीमेड थिंग्स अवेलेबल होगी ना, दैट इज व्हाट
क्विक फिक्सेस हमें मिल गए हैं. बट एक्चुअली अगर हमें लॉन्ग टर्म एफर्ट्स चाहिए, लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट्स चाहिए जो कि लंबे टाइम तक हमारे साथ रहें, सो वी हैव टू बी ग्राउंडेड बैक to what our old era was, maybe in thought process, maybe in eating habits, maybe in sleeping patterns or meditation, the physical exercise you are telling, ये सब चीज़ें पुरानी थी. ये कोई आज की नहीं है कि हम बोलने लग गए हैं कि 8 घंटे सोना है या 5 घंटे तो एटलीस्ट मिनिमल फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करो. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी ऐड, ये वर्ड ही तभी ऐड हुआ है, पहले तो सभी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहे थे बिकॉज दे वो वर्किंग. हाउस होल्ड के काम, अपनी mothers are much stronger than us, because उन्होंने household के काम इतने किए हैं.
Exactly, वो तो बंद हो चुके हैं ना.
वो बंद हो चुके हैं. That's why the term physical activity were now introduced, कि क्योंकि सब sedentary हो चुके हैं. Now they need their muscles to be worked out. तो physical activity at least in this form start करें.
यार जो middle class है basically, पहले उनके पास चीज़ पहुंचती है. The grinders came, the mixies came, the chips packets came, Coke came, People who could not afford, they thought it's a luxury. We need to give this to our children. अब हम लोग समझने लग गए हैं, वो लोगों के लिए अभी फैशन है. तो अब हम जो करेंगे, मिडिल क्लास जो करेगी, तो हौली हौली वो they will understand this is the right thing. So अभी there's a long way to go.
Long journey in that way also. So, because again coming to what our health is, see again the skin and your hair is the reflection of your body. So obviously हम age भी बता देते हैं कि यार ये तो ना लग रहा है, not with the physical appearances. It is more about the face thing कि यार ये ना बुरा लग रहा है, ये ज़्यादा एज का होएगा. By face only we look like that and we say. So again I feel कि अगर हम ये सब चीज़ें ठीक कर लें, plus yes technology is advancing, टेक्नोलॉजी को हमें साथ कर लेके चलना भी पड़ेगा. वी कैन नॉट लीव इट ना एट दिस स्टेज एंड से कि नहीं टेक नहीं, हमने तो सिर्फ खाना पीना ही ठीक करना है. एंड वी विल नो, वी आर सराउंडेड विद केमिकल्स एवरीवेयर in this air, water, food, fruit, whatever we are eating, they have chemicals in that.
They have, everything has chemicals.
Even the fruit you are telling, the vegetable you are telling, even you're washing it with maybe a baking soda or a vegetable cleaner, still it has a lot of chemicals
gone into the skin, it's inside.
So you cannot avoid that. You cannot
avoid it, yeah.
So I feel yes, that with the technology, adding it with the basics Ayurveda or the basic culture of our India, the basic food, the basics lifestyle, the meditation, the spiritual connections, that helps a lot in our self rejuvenation and the mental health also, and that automatically gets reflected to the kids also.
See, like we have gardens or we don't have gardens. We should grow vegetables in place of
Place.
flowers and all, first of all. Because चाहे वो चार चीज़ें आपको मिले, चार से
But
भी तो
मिल तो
फर्क
रही
पड़ेगा
हैं.
ना.
Definitely.
Yeah, you can have your eggplants, you can have your, we can grow anything. तो वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं पहले.
Right,
हाँ,
right.
अगर मेरे पास जगह ज़्यादा है तो I can have a garden plus a vegetable garden. But if I have less space, my attention, my focus should be on a vegetable
Planting
garden.
vegetables.
कितना भी आप दे दो, मार्केट की वेजिटेबल से फिर भी ये वाली बेटर होएगी.
डेफिनेटली,
चाहे
बिकॉज
वो-
वी आर नॉट एडिंग एनी मोर केमिकल्स.
Yeah.
ठीक है, जो बेसिक है वो तो हम नहीं हटा सकते, पानी से नहीं हटा सकते, सॉइल से नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट देयर प्रोपोर्शन वुड बी डेफिनेटली
See,
लेसर.
in my garden, for example, I'll tell you, I read a lot. I'm conscious also because I am responsible for a lot of things. I read more and I look more so I'm trying not to use chemical sprays at all. I'm trying to use very basic sprays. आप जितना पढ़ोगे सब कुछ available है. Market में आप देखोगे, आप try करोगे. Why? And it's a quick fix, like you said. Go to a shop and get a spray because
It's
you know
easy.
your
You'll
plants
get
are
quick
affected.
results.
Yeah. बट नहीं, थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करिए. वो जो एफर्ट हम अपने ऊपर करते हैं एज इन फॉर फैशन और फॉर shopping or for party or something, I think we should pay attention to these things. And then that should be secondary. Of course, that has to be there because we are a part of a society. Yeah. But at the same time, living in this world today where there's so much of pressure or trending things, AI. Today I was talking to one of my teachers. She says in schools they're teaching children about war and they're also telling them about war. I don't know, my mind thought is very different. So I said, this is not right. They're too young. I also by chance came across on Instagram a mother talking to the child and telling that there is war and telling what the war is and also telling, then she's asking questions. Okay, tell me, there's a war going on between which countries? The child said India and Pakistan. And the other child I'm talking about, the teacher's child, she says, Mom, I'm not going for my extra class because there's going to be a bomb. I said, then the mother explained, she said, bomb girega, to why are we telling our children about all this? And we have to tell them that war is it's not to be celebrated. It is not a good thing. कोई भी मर रहा है, कहीं भी कोई मर रहा है, तो वो
That's another trauma to the young mind.
they're too young. I also believe that people say, sometimes they come and tell me that why don't you teach them good touch and bad touch at a 2-year-old, to a 2-year-old. I say they haven't even started trusting strangers as yet. And it is the parents and the guardians' responsibility to take care of children that they don't go to wrong hands. That's it. Why teach them? Because they're such pure and pious minds. Every family has problems. We all go through. I would try and keep my kids away till a certain age. Keeping them away from, protected from that exposure. Because I didn't want my kids' mind to be, influenced or shaped in any way which is not right or which is negative. Yeah. बड़े होके तो पता चल ही जाना है सबको, सब कुछ दिख ही जाता है. They tell me, why didn't you tell us? I say, no, because I thought you were too young to be listening to these things at that moment. They just need to see a beautiful world. They just need to be seeing good things because तभी आप good बनोगे ना. आगे goodness कैसे how are you going to spread goodness tomorrow? Young minds को तो you have to be all the
They're
time.
like clays, actually.
उनको protect करके रखना चाहिए. उनको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. उनको simple things. That's all they need.
हमने complex कर दिया.
हमने, or even if we have so much of money, we don't need to have abundance and give them abundance. वो कैसे उनको, it's confusing the kids.
So it was lovely talking to you, ma'am, and it was actually enlightening to understand that parents and kids relationship is at a very different level which we cannot compare and discuss also, and parents as a whole have a very big role, be it female, be it male. Obviously females का थोड़ा proportion ज़्यादा है. The strength the females have nobody else can have, and the emotional quotient also the females have nobody can have. So you as a female have the main power to actually work the entire family in a positive way.
Yeah.
Either your husband, in-laws, even the kids, everybody is kind of dependent on you.
You're the pivot.
Yeah, they are the center.
They are the center, and you are, like they say, you are going to be the adult always.
Always.
Nobody else will be
Nobody
that.
will.
Yeah. So.
And let's stop being tired of discussing about this thing that मैं ही सब कुछ कर रही हूँ या मैं मेरे को ही करना पड़ता है. Start taking out time for yourself. MMI means I, me, myself. Obviously, with so much of responsibilities, you are the main center and you have to do that extra mile. But I will always say, take out time for yourself to indulge in learning, to indulge in self care, and take care of yourself also, so that you can provide a better future and environment
Yes.
to rest of them.
Yes.
Right?
You need to take out time for yourself.
Yourself.
Yeah.
So thank you, Bali ma'am, for taking out time and enlightening us all. And do share and subscribe such video where you feel that other mother or other child would be enlightened with.